So this is my project and my project name is Dummy. Now I will close my Premiere Pro without saving my project, and then I will show you how to get back your unsaved files or project. All you have to need, go to your File Explorer, and in File Explorer select this PC and click on search this PC and type here autosave and search for autosave. And as a search result here, you will find Adobe Premiere Pro autosave folder. Just open this folder, and in this Adobe Premiere Pro autosave folder, you will find all of your unsaved projects. All you have to need, just find out the project that you want to recover. So here's my dummy project. Just double click on the project, and the project will open in Adobe Premiere Pro in just a few seconds. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully recovered my unsaved project.